We are in Toy Store in New York. And this time I got Max again. And I got Max again. Like, sorry. Alright. So which one are we going to get?
We're gonna get...
I think we're gonna get this one.
Yeah, we probably...
Oh, we're gonna get this one.
No.
Yeah?
Yeah, this one.
Yep, we're gonna get this one. So we are going to get this one here. Because it's coming down. No, that one there. This one here. We're going on this one.
Oh, and by the way, we're in the giant toy store in New York.
We're on Toys R Us. And this time I got Max again.
In New York. Guys, when we go up the elevator, you're gonna see a giant Ferris wheel in New York.
Not
in the toy store.
We sure are. Max is correct.
We're going here.
Yep. Here is the elevator. Here's our elevator. Here's our... I think this might be Wesley House. Come on, elevator. Open. There we go. It's opened. It has opened. Which one are you going to?
3.
3? Okay. Maybe on. Yep, we're going to. Thanks. Doors are so closing now. Look at the Ferris wheel.
Really?
Yeah.
Chicken flew off of the Why don't they have a Oh, look at the red car. Yeah.
Here we are at 3. Now we're going down to LL. Okay. And now we're gonna go by ourselves. No one has to get on.
Now we can see more clear.
Wait, Max.
Let's show them that.
Wait, Max. Look at the light of the elevator.
Look, let's show them.
Okay.
Look at the giant Ferris wheel.
Everybody, now we're by ourselves.
We're by ourselves.
Well, yeah, we are. Yes, we're by.
This is such a good.
This is a good ride
store.
on an elevator. Oh, good. We didn't stop on one. We didn't. Max, we're not gonna get off on L. We're gonna go up one more time.
Okay.
Here we are at L. Look. Somebody called it. Go on, this elevator takes forever to a level. It takes a while to a level. I don't know why.
We made it.
We made it. Which one are you going to? 2. Close it up. Close the door up. Wait, Max. Man, I don't know why this elevator takes forever to a level. Wait. Wait, Max. I need to hold it because I'm the filmer.
Can I hold it for 1
Look
minute?
at the giant Ferris wheel, and it's moving.
I want to show them something.
Wait, Max. Okay, fine. Hold it. Hold it.
Are you going down?
Yes.
No, we're going up to 3. We're going to 3. We're going up.
Look at all those candies. Look, and now we're going up to the arcade.
This is the arcade room.
Hold on,
Wait,
look at the sweet level.
Wait, Max, I got it this time. Look, here we are at 3.
The arcade.
Okay. Now let's go to LL.
Let's show them the arcade.
Look, there's the arcade over there. Now let's close the door. Now let's close the door. And now we will close the door. And this is our last trip. And we're gonna get off on LL. And right when we get down to LL, we're going to get off. Okay?
Okay.
We're stopping. We're stopping. We're stopping. Takes a while to level. Which one are y'all going to?
We're going down.
Which one, LL or 1?
Which one are we going to?
The low one, yeah.
No. Low level?
Whoops, these are these. Hold on.
You're going to 1?
Yeah. We tried.
Takes a while to level. Sorry. It takes forever closing. Go ahead, the door close doesn't work. Door close doesn't work, I don't like that.
Alright, so you're here. Stay here. So that everybody can get out. So yeah, I tried for like
Here we are at 1. Someone has to get off on 1.
No, here we go. Well, before we
Oh, we're not stuck.
No, so you didn't yet.
No, we're not
Well, we
stuck.
got married and then
This might be a good one to put on YouTube, huh?
Yeah.
You're still on there?
Yeah. I'm putting this on my blog.
I keep them on long. I would die.
Everybody get up.
So we're at LL. Now we're getting off. Takes a while to a level. I don't know why making me think that it takes forever to a level will make me get stuck. Here we are. Okay, that was the end. But we will watch the doors close. Then, there it goes. And that is it.